How to manage who can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and now click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and now just click privacy, and here you will find comments. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage who can comment on your videos and stories. If you click this one here, no one can comment on your videos, and you can make it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.